Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can upload Roblox images in 2023 following the latest update. To begin, visit roblox.com and log in using your account details. From the top menu, select Create, the third option available. On the top left, click on Dashboard. Upon reaching the respective page, click on Development Items. Within the Decals section, choose to upload an asset. For instance, I'll use a random image as an example. After uploading the image, you can provide a name and description for it. Finally, to complete the image upload, click on the Upload button. By following these steps, you'll successfully learn how to upload images in Roblox in 2023 after the latest update. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.